Welcome to Dare Math. Today we'll solve 5 important circle theorem practice questions. Pause the video before each solution, solve it yourself, and then check your answer with my step-by-step explanation. Let's begin. Question number 1. This question uses the angle in a semicircle theorem. Since AB is the diameter, angle C is always 90 degrees. Now use the angle sum of a triangle. 29 degrees plus 90 degrees plus angle B equals 180 degrees. So angle B equals 61 degrees. Answer, 61 degrees. Let's move to question 2. This question uses the angle at the center theorem. The angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference standing on the same arc. The central angle is 120 degrees. Therefore, the angle at the circumference is 120 divided by 2. The answer is 60 degrees. Answer, 60 degrees. Question 3. These two angles stand on the same chord. According to the angles in the same segment theorem, they are equal. Since angle ACB is 48 degrees, angle ADB is also 48 degrees. Answer, 48 degrees. Question 4. Again, AB is the diameter. The angle subtended by a diameter is always 90 degrees. Therefore, angle ACB equals 90 degrees. Answer, 90 degrees. Here's the final question. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles always add up to 180 degrees. Angle A is 105 degrees. Therefore, angle C equals 180 minus 105, which is 75 degrees. Answer, 75 degrees. Excellent work. Today we've revised 5 important circle theorems. Keep practicing because the more questions you solve, the easier geometry becomes. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in Circle Theorem Practice Questions Part 2. Welcome to